Masungi Georeserve is home to over 400 species, some found nowhere else and many endangered. Please watch until the end of this video to learn how you can help save Masungi. That's why we came, alongside nearly 100 other creators, to help protect this place with the power of our platforms and stories. We spoke with the rangers and caretakers of Masungi, the people who have lived this fight every day. They've protected these mountains not with weapons, but with hope and with their bare hands.
I'd like to introduce you to one of our beautiful flowers here. It's the Jade Vine. And this is typically called the Jade Vine, but specifically this species is called the JC's Vine. And this was discovered in 2000, but it was just recently named. And it's very special because unlike most jade vines that we can find in the Philippines, this is the one that's colored purple. And this purple coloration is still under research because we're still trying to find out if the alkalinity of the soil or of the rocks, limestone formations here, has got to do.
As we walk deeper and deeper into the reserve, we fell in love with the diversity of animal and plant species and were amazed by the prehistoric limestone formations.
How do these rocks form?
Because of the weathering.
Yes.
Because these rock formations are very ancient. They came from the Paleocene age. That was 60 million years ago.
16 million
60
years
million.
ago.
These ancient limestone formations are over 60 million years old, predating humanity, now at the edge of destruction.
Guys, this is the definition of do not look down.
Despite Masungi's success in restoring this land, it faces relentless threats: illegal logging, mining, land grabbing, and now an eviction order from the very department tasked with protecting it.
We are literally above the trees.
They say Masungi is a resort. It isn't. It's a model for conservation. We were inspired by the love and passion of the Masungi Rangers as they told us about the history of the lives lost in the fight to protect this great biodiversity.
Yung mga bilid na to, ginamit lang natin paggawa ng frame para at least we can recall where we started. Ano ba talaga yung pinagsimulan ng Masungi? And right now naman po, makikita natin na unti-unti na ulit siyang bumabalik sa ayos. Medyo lumalaki na yung mga puno natin.
was made.
And pakita ko sa inyo itong malaking
Wow.
So sa umpisa po natin dito sa Masungi, marami pa po tayo.
In the beginning, we faced a lot of dangers, like land grabbing, mining, poaching, and illegal logging.
Panguuling po at yung mga land grabbing. At sa ngayon po, sa halos
In the last 3 decades, we have faced many dangers, like illegal quarrying, mining, and encroachment. The coming of developments to build houses and infrastructure that abuse our nature.
Papatayo po ng mga bahay at iba't iba mga struktura po na nakasira sa ating kalikasan. Kaya yun po, isa din po, hindi din po lingid sa kalaman ng karamihan na yung pinakamalaking panganib po
That is what many of us don't know about
inilabas
the
ng
eviction
Department of
order
Environment
from
and
Department
Natural
of
Resources.
Environment
Kasi,
and Natural
marami pong
Resources.
disinformation online
There's a lot
na
of
nagsabi po na
disinformation
resort po yung
online
ginagawa natin dito,
that says
hindi
this
po
is a resort
sustainable,
and we are getting
biniberahan
money
po
from
natin
here
yung sitwasyon. Pero,
and this is
kapag
unsustainable.
nakabisita po talaga
But if
tayo
you
dito,
come and visit,
nakita po
you
natin
will
na
find
isang
out
sincere po
that
talaga
this
na,
is a very
conservation yung
conservational
ginagawa natin.
place.
Nangunguna po talaga ang pagprotekta ng ating kalikasan, nangunguna po ang pagprotekta
To
sa
mainly
ating,
protect our nature
tubig kanlungan
and
o watershed
watershed
na nagpoprotekta at
that
nagbibigay din po ng
protects
tubig
and gives
sa iba't
water
ibang,
to the
komunidad.
community.
Kaya, kilitisin po natin ng mabuti ang mga informasyon na nakukuha natin online. Kung
That
totoo
is
po ba
why we
ito,
have to be
kung
very
hindi. Kasi
careful
ito po
online
yung,
as we read that
ito
this
po yung
information.
pinaka-importante,
It is not to
may
protect
tulong natin.
only
Hindi
Masungi,
lamang po para sa
but
Masungi,
also
pero
to
para
help
na rin
our
po sa mga
environmental
defenders
defenders.
po, advocates po na nagproprotekta sa kahit anumang environmental areas po ito. Kaya
This is
kapag
how
gusto niyo
you
po
can help
sumuporta,
Masungi.
pwede po
If
kayo
you are an
kapag
organization,
meron po
you
kayong
can write a
organisasyon, pwede po
statement,
kayong magpalabas ng
and if you
statement.
are individual,
Kapag
you can
individual
write
naman
an
po kayo,
email
pwede po kayong magsulat
for
ng
our
email,
president
para
and
sa
to
ating
DENR
sa
office
DENR
and
po,
copy
at
our Masungi email.
copy niyo po ang Masungi,
Also, share our posts, statement,
yung
and know the truth
pagsimpleng
online.
pag-share lamang
This is
po
to help the
mga
Masungi
posts,
Georeserve.
mga statements, at pati na rin po sa pagkilitis po sa mga informasyon na nakita natin.
Masungi proves that protection is possible, but they can't do it alone. Only the president can stop this distraction. Share this video, tag at Bongbong Marcos and at Masungi Georeserve, and show that this generation won't stay silent. #SaveMasungi before it's too late.